Hi, so my mom got this package from Bark and a free camera. She paid $29.99 for this Bark package. It's super affordable for everybody. As you can see here, it's Tokyo themed. It comes with some chew toys for your dog. Here are some veggie hunks. It's a very healthy option for your dogs. Here are clunks. They're soft baked so it's not rough on your dog's teeth. Here's the card it comes with, and it even shows you how to teach your dog commands in Japanese. And here's a nice dog cookie for your dog. This toy has cute characters inside the ball. And this one is a cute ramen theme. And as a bonus, here's the free camera we got. It's a Blink Mini 2 camera. And here's the camera. This one comes in white. And it comes pre-packaged with a charger. And some screws for the camera to help set it up. This camera takes a C charger. There's a little pamphlet starter guide. With this camera, you can adjust it and move it around. Or you could even twist it. Or of course, move it back and forward. Here's where you could plug it in. And that's the camera.